What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Motorhead YouTube channel. So today, guys, we are getting my BMW 135 ready for paint, and it's super exciting because now that the framework is done, we can go ahead and do all the body work, get the panels looking good, and from there we can start prepping it and get it painted. So that'll be in this episode. You guys will see the final result. Super excited about it. This project has been coming along smoothly and I'm super happy with all of it. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get to the shop. We're gonna start prepping that thing. But a quick little update, guys. Check this out. The E30 M3 just got something absolutely insane. So I have the opportunity to put my dream wheels on this car. And as you can see, they look absolutely insane. So these are BBS RS's, and this is a very iconic wheel for this car. And I've been kind of just toying with the fitment, and I got it pretty much where I want it. The biggest issue I had was clearing these brakes. As you can see with the Brembo scraped off, they were rubbing. So 15 millimeter spacer was not enough. And then 20 millimeter was not enough. So we had to go 25 millimeters out. And as you can see, now we have perfect fitment. Same with the rear. It's also 25 millimeters. And it's perfect. Like, you really can't ask for better fitment. So in this episode, we'll go ahead and work on these two. I just got valve stems for them. So I think the only thing left to do is we need to take them apart and we need to reseal them because two of them are leaking, I believe. So I'm gonna just go ahead and redo all of them. If you guys remember on my fixie wheels that I built, these are 3-piece as well. And if you saw the video, I redid them as well. And I did the sealant on them and it turned out really awesome. So I'm gonna keep these wheels. I'm thinking to re-powder coat this right here to a gold, and we'll just keep this as a second set, and I'll run them on the Z3 for now. And if I ever want to put them back on this car, I still have the 15 millimeter spacers to make them fit perfectly. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna make another episode redoing these as well. But we're gonna get these to the shop, and once we get the car painted, I'm gonna go ahead and start redoing this right here, which it doesn't look bad, but like I said, two of them are leaking, so I'm just gonna go ahead and redo all of them. I'd hate to put the tires on and they leak air. So we're gonna seal the tires off these. It's actually perfect. Even though these are wider wheels, this tire kind of has a balloon effect. If you can see, it goes above. So this size and that size is actually gonna be perfect for these wheels, for them to fit flush. So I'm not losing any money putting these on. If they don't work, I'll get a wider set. If it does work, that'll be perfect. So we're gonna get these loaded up into the car, and then we'll go get started on the car. And then after it's done, we can start working on these. I cannot wait to get these done and get them on this car and see what they look like with tires. They're just so awesome. It's insane how good they look on this car. So let's go ahead and head to the shop. Okay guys, check this out. So I went ahead and finished the body work. I blocked and reprimed it, and now it is ready. So we're gonna be painting it with the hood off. That way we can paint this inside too. That way there's no tape line and it's gonna be like the factory. So now it is time to go ahead and get this thing paint prepped, and then we'll get it in the booth and get it sprayed. All right, guys, check it out. The 135 is prepped. It's in the booth. I'm not gonna be in the booth when Shannon paints because he's very particular with his paint, and you guys will see, honestly, I very rarely ever see him buff anything, and he's already painted probably like 60, 70 of the cars that I've done since I've been here. So he's incredible, and he paints really well, but he's very meticulous. And he goes as far as even picking trash out of the clear. So we're gonna let him paint this, and while he paints this, we are going to work on my wheels and get them resealed. But as you can see, check out the prep work. It's beautiful, everything's awesome, and it's all gonna get painted inside because we moved stuff around, but now all the bolts will be painted the color of the car, and everything on the inside will look really nice. So that way when it's all together, it's gonna look great. And then we'll come over here. As you can see, the hood is set up, and the side skirt and the bumper. So really cool that we have two booths here and we can do this. He likes to use the downdraft for hoods and stuff like this because it's just a better booth. So really excited to see how this thing turns out. We're gonna go start on the wheels and go over them and see what we gotta do. And then once that's done, once this is done, we'll come back in here, check this thing out, and see how it turned out. I'm really excited to see how this bumper looks painted. As you guys know, this bumper was absolutely destroyed. So curious to see how this thing turns out. All right, guys, so Shannon just finished the car. He is baking it right now, and then I'll show it to you. And I gotta say, this thing just turned out absolutely incredible. It's crazy how good he paints. I mean, he literally has a pick to pick out trash, and then he goes over it again, and you can't even ever tell. So we're gonna go look at it once it's baked, but right now we're gonna get onto these wheels. We got a lot to do on them, and I'm trying to get them sealed up today. That way over this weekend, they can dry real nice, and then next week I can put tires on them and throw it on the car and see what it looks like. So as you can see, we got to take all that off right there and try and put it on a little bit more neat, and hopefully these things won't leak. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Check it out, guys. We got them all cleaned up very nicely. Now we're gonna go ahead and seal them. I taped them up. So we're gonna use the exact same stuff that I used on my fixie 3-piece wheels that are on the car already. So let's go ahead and seal these up and see how they look. All right, guys, there you have it. They are nice and sealed up. They look super good now. So really happy with this. Now this needs 2 days to dry. So we're just gonna hold off, put them over there in the corner and let them dry over the weekend. And then next week, I'll bring in my fixie wheels, take the wheels off and swap them onto these and finally get them on the car. So super happy with that. And I kind of procrastinated this, so I'm really happy I went ahead and got it done. And now, as you can see, these wheels are ready for some tires, and they're gonna look absolutely gorgeous on that M3. Check it out, guys. Absolutely incredible paint work. Like I said, Shannon is one of the best painters in Chattanooga, and results speak for themselves. No trash, and it just looks beautiful. I'm really happy with this hood because this thing was absolutely hammered, and as you can see, the bodywork on it looks really good. Like overall, I really can't even see any ripples on it. There's 1 or 2 on the car, but this is what I was most worried about, and it turned out awesome. So super happy with that. The side skirt was just a scratch, but as you can see, it is looking beautiful. And then this bumper was also hammered. If you guys didn't see the last video, it was just absolutely destroyed right here. It is not perfect, but we have a OEM M Sport bumper here, and I wanted to just keep this thing as cheap as possible and looking as OEM as possible. So really happy that I didn't go with the 1M conversion bumper. Maybe in the future, I will do a 1M conversion to this car or a whole nother project. So that would be pretty cool. But as you can see, this thing looks beautiful. It's super awesome. Really happy with everything. And we'll go over here, check out the car. As you can see, beautiful. I mean, this thing just looks incredible. Very happy with it. The bodywork looks good on this fender. If you guys remember, this fender was destroyed and now it's looking good. So I'm really happy we're able to save this fender because we painted it. He was able to throw just very minimal paint here on the edge. And as you can see, that way we get a good color match. He is a very good painter. And the fact that he was able to keep this blend so close to here, because you can see how much paint is here, and then you can see there's like almost no paint here, just dust. Not really anything that's even able to change the color. So super happy with that. And then same with this side, he kind of just blended it out here. So very awesome. I'm super happy with this. Big shout out to Shannon. And yeah, there's not much more to say, guys. As you can see, it's looking awesome. That is going to be it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you're enjoying the content. Stay tuned, guys, to see the BBS RSs on the M3. Stay tuned. Next episode, this thing is going to just get put together as fast as possible. I have everything except a couple little pieces which are ordered and on the way, but they're not going to stop us from building it. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing done. Thanks for all the love and support in the videos, and thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.